Hello and welcome back to Huga House. And so today we'll be taking a look at this classic luxury floor plans available for this awesome log home. Log homes and log cabins are more popular than ever before. And it's no wonder, as they provide a comfortable home design that can be used for full-time living or as a vacation home to get away with family and friends. These days, there is no shortage of log house designs to choose from, with a log house designed to suit most any budget, need, and preference. If a log house is something you are considering, a good place to start is with a log home floor plan. With a good log home floor plan, you can start planning for your log house build. Your log home floor plan should reflect the way that you live. You'll want to match your lifestyle with a log home floor plan that best suits you and your way of living. Start by outlining how you live and who you live with on a day-to-day basis, what you want and what you don't want, and the things you are willing to live without. This outline will help you guide into a log home that fits just right. Consider the makeup of your family, whether that includes adults only, adults and kids, and aging parents. Ask yourself whether you live casual, formal, relaxed, or hectic, and if you like to entertain or have any hobbies. Outlining your lifestyle will tell you how you feel about your log home and the basic floor plan. An example would be that a casual couple won't need a formal entry or a dining room, while people who entertain a lot might need an open floor plan. Determine the activities you like to do or the number of rooms in the log home floor plan based on how you'll use each room. Start by separating your list into private and communal activities and exactly where in the log home that those activities will take place. Then a rough sketch of your log home floor plan according to where you want them to be positioned. When you do your research beforehand, you can save yourself future frustrations with a floor plan that doesn't work for you and your family. Once you know your wants and needs and the priority in which you need them, you can start browsing through log home floor plans and know which ones will work best for you. You might have 2 or 3 log home floor plans that you are considering, and from there, you can narrow it down to the floor plan that suits you and your family and your budget best. Your log house floor plan is a digital download. You will not receive the log home floor plan hard copy, but the files that you need to print to a full blueprint size. If this log home floor plan is close to your dream log home, then a starter plan like this is a great idea that can end up saving you thousands of dollars in log house design fees. And that's our video for today, and if you like it, please consider dropping a like. It would definitely help this channel to grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We always feature new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.